Hey guys, it's me, Marty, and welcome back to Glam with Marty. So today I have a haul video for you guys. I kind of already cheated a little bit, but we'll talk about that later. First things first, let's get something out of the way real quick. This is a WWE merchandise shirt. In my past life, as I call it, I was a huge WWE fan. I went to a bunch of shows and pay-per-views. I stopped counting at 30 at WrestleMania 30. That was coincidentally my 30th show. But I went to Survivor Series, Royal Rumble, Night of Champions. I went to WrestleMania 25, 30, 32, and 34. So I'm not saying I kind of sort of watched. I was like deep in it. And I know a lot of people say like grow out of it or you fall out of love with it, but that wasn't the case for me. It just changed a lot, and all the stuff I really loved about it, I started to not love about it so much, or it changed. So anyway, so that's the story with the shirt, because I just was waiting for, is that a WWE shirt? Yeah, this is from Survivor Series 2017, and you can see on the back, yes, I was there. It was amazing. It was like the only full Shield reunion. So anyway, so that's that. So now that that's out of the way, I actually had a wrestling podcast. That was my first YouTube channel. It was called Marty Mania, and it was amazing, and I loved it. But again, I just kind of, it just changed way too much for me, and I kind of didn't like the direction it was heading, and so I gracefully exited. Let's get to what's important. So this is a Bath and Body Works haul. I'm not really excited about doing another haul video, but these deals were too good for me to not talk about. It's just been a really haul heavy channel lately, and that's not what it's really about. Like, you know, hauls are important, but it's not the entirety of it. The main reason I decided to do this haul tonight is because I want to start burning all of the candles, and I wanted to smell them for the first time on camera. Now, yes, I did cheat on some of these, but we'll talk about that when we get to it. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the 3-wick candles, which I adore those. So they just burn a little quicker. So for comparison's sake, let me show you guys. So this is a single-wick candle. This is a 3-wick candle. So you can see they're a lot bigger. They're just, all the candles are amazing. But anyway, I digress. So the sale that I got, I don't remember exactly what day it was, but these candles were on sale. They went from $24.50 to $11.95. And again, this is why you need to follow my Instagram page, because I have that posted as a deal of the day. And I do deals of the day every single day, Monday through Thursday. I take off for the weekends, but so here's what I got from that sale. I got 3 candles. One of them I actually got 2 of because it's my favorite candle of all time. And I'm glad that I did, because that candle right now is not available on the website. So I want to start. I did cheat with the 3-wick candles. I've been smelling them all already because I've been burning them all already. I mean, how much do you want a girl to wait? The whole reason I need them is because I like the scents. So here's the first one that I got. Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast does not have a top on it because I was just burning it in my office/glam room while I was getting ready. I have heard about Champagne Toast for freaking years. People swear by Champagne Toast. It smells so good. I'm going to smell it right now. It says that it smells like champagne. Let me see, actually, it might be on the back. I don't want this thing to leak because I was literally burning it like 5 minutes ago. So it says, here's Champagne Toast scented candle, bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine with essential oil. So to me, honestly, guys, it smells like pink lemonade. I'll be the one to say it. I don't know one else wants to. It smells like pink lemonade. It smells really good. It is one of my favorite candles. I am actually in the process of creating a top 10 scents for Bath and Body Works candles, because I love them so much. Like literally since Valentine's Day, I have been burning them nonstop. And the reason I point out Valentine's Day is because I actually received a gift box, I guess. Anyway, I got a Valentine's Day present where he ordered me 5 Bath and Body Works candles because he said they reminded him of me, whatever. So they came to my house. I'd never had one before, and ever since then, I have been obsessed with them. So this one is Champagne Toast. I've heard about it forever. So it kind of had a lot to live up to, and I was excited to try it. It smells really, really good. And then for me, like, I really like to have a specific scent for each room. Like my bedroom has, well, actually it has 3 scents because I have one candle on each of those nightstands, and then I have one on my TV stand, which is actually behind the ring light so you can't see it. So I really like to have certain scents, and I try to put a candle in one place and I don't move it often. So Champagne Toast is going to be my office / glam room candle, and it smells really good. So this one was a walk on the wild side for me because it wasn't really notes that I liked that much, but I really liked actually the like I guess packaging of it, and I thought it was different and I thought I might like it. This is Cozy Cashmere. So let me read you guys what it says underneath it. It says for Cozy Cashmere, smooth lavender, warm vanilla, comforting sandalwood, and essential oils. Which, now that I'm reading it again, it sounds like something I should like. But when I smelled it for the first time, to me, it smells flowery, and I don't like floral notes because of my head. Floral scents sometimes can trigger a migraine. So like not saying that this is going to trigger migraine for you if you have them, but for me personally, floral scents sometimes annoy me. Anything that's rosy, anything that's like freesias, all that stuff kind of annoys me a little bit with my nose and my head and everything. And plus, like, I had one of the gifts I got as a present for Valentine's Day was rose vanilla. It is the only candle that I still have because to me it kind of smells like old lady-ish. Like, it smells like a grandma, and I'm not a grandma, so I don't know what he was thinking with that. I think because it said love, he just whatever, but it wasn't working. So I don't know, I'm smelling it now, and to me it still smells floral. So I am okay with this one. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I don't get rid of any of them. I actually still have rose vanilla. It's actually downstairs in the downstairs like guest bathroom. But so I've been keeping it in here in this room. It is on the side I don't sleep on. It's on this side. So I mean, if I'm ever in a mood to smell this thing, I've lit it. You can see it is burned a little bit. It has burned out a little bit. It's just really not my favorite scent. So anyway, now this one is my all-time favorite candle. So this is Hot Cocoa and Scream. It's really Hot Cocoa and Cream, but it's just the fall packaging. So this is the packaging. It's a little witch on it. I actually got it in the summer at the sale where they put all like the Christmas and holiday candles on sale. It smells so good, y'all. Look how much I burned it down already. I got all 3 of these at the same time. Oh my God. If you're doing like Halloween decor, like you could put, like, I have 2 pedestals from Bath and Body Works downstairs on the table. My plan was to put each one of those on the pedestals, but I love this one so much. This is the one that has the coveted position of being on my nightstand on my side of the bed because it just smells like everything I love. I love sweet smells. Like I always make that, well, my family always makes fun of me and I always mention it, that everybody says everything I like smells really sweet. Like I wear, well, right now I'm wearing Victoria's Secret Tea's Dreamer perfume, which smells like sweet and beach, which is right up my alley. But on a regular basis, I wear Prada Candy. Like that's literally my entire scent profile is sweet. The sweeter you can get it, the better. And you'll see that with some of the single wick candles. So again, I did get this candle. I did get 2 of them since they were on sale because again, I burned through them so quickly that I was like, why waste my time? If the sale is this good, I'm going to just go ahead and get 2 of these. So when I burn one out, I will have another one ready to go. So that's Hot Cocoa and Scream. And for those of you who don't have it yet, let me actually read you what the notes are. Hot Cocoa and Scream. Deep dark chocolate, fresh steamed milk, mischievous mini marshmallows, and essential oils. I mean, y'all, let me tell you, this thing just smells so good. I can't explain to you how sweet and decadent and rich it is. It smells like hot cocoa times like 10. This one. So those are all the 3 wicks. Now let's talk single wick candles. So I'm gonna go place those all in a second. The single wick candles. So I don't remember when this was, last week or the week before. It was right before Hurricane Laura. I know that because these candles actually happened to arrive here on the exact day that Hurricane Laura was rolling in that night. I live in Louisiana, for those that don't know. So Hurricane Laura was coming that night, and then they decided to bring the package that afternoon, and my neighbor was like, there's a package at your front door. It looks heavy. Please come pick it up because there's a hurricane coming tonight, and I am not fixing to have my windows broken by your package. Now, she said it a lot sweeter than that, thank God, but it was kind of a mess. So anyway, so the single wick candles were on a monster deal. So they retail for $14.50. That particular day, they were $5.95. I mean, y'all, that is such a big deal. That's more than half off because this was featured on the deals of the day. So these are single wick candles. Again, I got so many of them. I don't really remember what they all are called. For these single wick candles, here's what I got. This one, again, sorry, I don't want to cheat, but I had to because I needed something for the bathroom. So this is the one I have on the bathroom counter. This one is blueberry maple pancakes. It smells amazing, y'all. When I tried to do this on this shipment, oh my God, it smells just like blueberry pancakes. Like, it's insane. I'm not a big fall girl. I'm not a big pumpkin spice latte kind of gal. So I never have fall scents, but this year, since I'm so big into the candles and since everyone knows I'm so big into the candles, I really wanted to try to incorporate more fall scents. And since they were so cheap, I felt like I couldn't really miss. So I did do blueberry maple pancakes, and I do not regret it. For $6, this is insane. So this is the little candle itself. It sits in my bathroom. It sits on the little ledge of my bathtub. And while I'm washing my face or brushing my teeth, or today I was washing my hair in there, I had this candle lit and it smells amazing. So what do they have in here? It has wild blueberries, grilled fresh pancakes, and warm maple syrup. Yeah, that's like exactly legit what it smells like. Smells so good. Okay, the rest of the single wicks I haven't really smelled yet, so I'm excited to kind of smell them with you guys before I decide where I'm placing them in the house. Next, for my single wick $6 haul. So this one is, this is Cactus Blossom. Okay, so this is one of the few non-fall scents, and I have been wanting to get this one for a while because the notes sounded so good. So since it's my first time smelling it, I'm going to actually read the notes with you guys first. Mind you, this was $6. So it says here, cactus flowers, sun-kissed coconut, that's right up my alley, fresh sparkling lemon, and essential oils. Okay, so coconut, like beach, oh my God, beach scents mixed with sweet is insane. Good choice, me. Thank you, me. It smells similar to Tiki Beach. Very fresh, and like beachy, like I like. Oh, I put lipstick on it. I don't know where you going, girl, but maybe she can be the one that stays in here. We'll see. She smells good though. I really like this one. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. So this is one I did give into the pumpkin craze, which is crazy because I don't really G with the pumpkin scent. But again, it's fall. It's still like 98 degrees outside here in Louisiana. But I figure at some point it'll have to cool down a little bit. And I kind of want to walk into that fresh pumpkin scent. So let's see. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. Let me read the little description on the bottom first. So Tahitian vanilla, winning. Pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, winning again. And drizzled caramel. All right, another good one. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. Oh, it smells good. I will tell you, if you are into it for the pumpkin, I don't get a lot of the pumpkin in here. So, just be aware of that because it just doesn't smell pumpkin-esque to me. but whatever. I actually got 5 of these, so that's what, 2? So that's 3 of them. Let's see what this one is. I hope this is limoncello because I really want to smell it. Oh no, this is sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Okay, so this one I'm assuming is going to smell similar to cinnamon spice vanilla that I have downstairs, which I got, how was that in my first shipment? I think that might have been in my first shipment. And it smells really, it has that same fall-y scent. So let's see what's up with this one. So this one is warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, vanilla cream, and brown sugar. I actually don't see anything that says pumpkin or is a clove of pumpkin. I have no idea what a clove is. So I know a clove of garlic, but I don't think that's in a candle. Oh, she is fall. She is fall. So sweet cinnamon pumpkin smells to me like very Thanksgiving vibes. So if you do live somewhere like here where it's not going to be cold for Thanksgiving, I've worn shorts for Thanksgiving multiple years. Last year I think I wore like a sweater dress and it was too hot. If you live in that kind of place where it's kind of hard to get into the fall mode, this might help you a little bit. It smells pretty good. It's definitely a downstairs candle. She ain't going upstairs with all this fall situation she got going on, but it does smell good. It smells fall-y. It's not my personal vibe, but it does smell like it's gonna be nice for the downstairs area. Like I want when people walk in for them to smell this. It does smell like that. So last but not least, this one should be limoncello. So limoncello, I hope that's what this is, because if not, I did something wrong. Okay, yeah, so limoncello. Limoncello is one I got to be different from the rest of what I have. I have very heavy, warm, sweet scents. And so I wanted limoncello to be something that smelled kind of fresh. Because I have all this hot cocoa and cream, vanilla this, you know, maple that. So I really wanted something that it would give me something different, something fresh. So I'm kind of nervous about it because I've never had anything like this, except maybe lavender vanilla was a very fresh smell, but it was more relaxing. So let's see what's up with limoncello. Let's see what it has. Sorrento lemon, cane sugar, lemon zest. Not a lot of mixes here. There's lemon in here. So limoncello. Here's what it looks like. Very cute. I love these simple jars. Like if you see my home styling posts, I keep these to make into little vases. Well, I kept 2 of them. I'm not gonna keep every one of them, but I'm gonna keep, like, I've kept some to make little flower jars out of, and they're just cute. I like the simple little logo. The little label is very cute, and so just wanted to mention that. So let's see, limoncello. Oh, she's not trying to let me smell. Oh. Okay, so putting it right in my face and taking a big whiff, it was a little overpowering, but just smelling it on its own, it smells pretty good. It does smell extremely fresh. It smells like Pledge. Not Pledge. It smells like clean, fresh. Like if it was a fresh linen vibe or something like that, that's what it smells like. Very fresh. I actually think this one is going to be the one I keep in here because I have hot cocoa and scream in here. And that's just a really heavy scent. So when I'm not in the mood for that kind of scent, I might be in the mood for this one. So I really like this scent. So cool. So that is the last of our Bath and Body Works random sale haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can please give it a little like. If you like my channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Thank you again so much for watching. I'm very excited to have been to 100 followers. That is a big deal to have made it that far for me because I certainly did not think 105 people wanted to know how I shop and what I do with the things I buy, but it means a lot to me that you guys do. If you want to keep up with me on social media, including my Instagram page where you could check out the deals of the day, which again, both of these sales were on the deals of the day. You can check out my Instagram page, which is right here, or you can check out my Twitter page, which is right here, or you can check out any other social media, which is always the last slide. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time here on Glam with Marty. Bye.